Hi everyone, it's Asphalt here. I'm here to show you a feature of PCB Droid, the Autoroute. The Autoroute connects two components quickly and easily. This can save you much time and help you avoid problems when it comes to manufacturing. Let's see how it works. First, place the components you'd like to connect. Then, select the rubber wire tool on the right toolbar. Tap on one of the components and drag the rubber wire to the other component you'd like it to connect with. As you can see, the rubber wire is now stretched between these components to show that they are to be connected. You can repeat this and connect other components too. If you'd like to delete the rubber wire, just connect two components again with it. Now onto the Autoroute itself. Select the Autoroute function on the right toolbar and just tap on any of the rubber wires. The Autoroute function connects the two components with a copper line. It can only draw the line if it can fulfill the given parameters. To change these parameters, open the Autoroute settings by long tapping the Autoroute icon. Well, I hope this tutorial helped you better utilize PCB Droid. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other PCB Droid tutorials and news. Thank you and goodbye.